Hey everyone, welcome back to another progressive income video. Hope you guys have all been well. So for today's video, we're going to go over 3 ways you can make money using Fiverr today. Now for those of you who do not know, Fiverr is basically a website where you can hire freelancers who will basically do a job for you. So I'll get into more examples of that, and most people believe there's only one way of making money on Fiverr, which is posting gigs. But there are actually lots of other ways you can do. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So as I mentioned at the start, the main way people make money on Fiverr is by posting gigs. So an example of this will be here. So you can see if I search up background removal, it'll come up with all these freelancers who can basically do the job for you. So removing the backgrounds of images. So you can see the different price points they start at and all these different ones, which are all different freelancers and all basically sell something similar or slightly different. So a lot of people can post these, so anyone can be a freelancer on Fiverr. So you basically just have to create a profile and basically post your gig. So for example, I have one here, image editor for you. So all I did was very simple tasks such as, again, removing backgrounds, bit of photoshopping, maybe some resizing. So I did a little bit of gigs here and there such as that. And again, anyone can sign up and you can start making money today. Now I have made a video a while ago about 5 gigs you can easily make on Fiverr without any skill or talent required. And I'll post a link to that video above. Now, as you can see, this is my earnings from last year. I didn't really do much, but if you do stay consistent with it and you keep on posting many gigs, you'll eventually probably pick up one and get some customers and you can start making money. So that's it, very simple. Now, the second way of making money on Fiverr, which in my opinion is super underrated, is the Fiverr affiliate system. So for those of you who don't know, affiliate marketing is basically where you promote a product or service. And in this case, for example, you'll be promoting Fiverr. Now you can basically promote any gig on Fiverr, and when someone clicks on your specific generated link and uses that Fiverr gig or the service, you will get a small commission and you can get paid out for it. Now this is really unique for Fiverr as well, as they have 2 different commission structures you can choose from depending on which one is more suitable for you. So if we take a look here, there are 2 commission structures you can choose from. So one of them is just Fiverr CPA. So that's basically when you refer someone and they buy one of your services using your specific link, you'll be paid between $15 and $150. So if we scroll down here, we can see depending on what it's for. So if you have Fiverr Pro or Fiverr Pro services, it'll be $150 if you promote a Fiverr Pro service. And depending on what you promote, so if the gig is for mobile app programming tech, so I'll program a mobile app for you, you'll get $50. If it's for a website, you'll get $40 and so forth. And you can see all these products. Now, the best thing about this is you don't have to spend any money to get these payments pretty much. You just need to promote the gig to the right people. So this could be posting on Facebook groups, Instagram, TikTok, it could be anything, and you basically get money from that. Now the second commission structure I want to talk about, because it's quite unique, is this Fiverr hybrid commission structure. So when someone uses a service and clicks on your link, you'll just get $10 to start off with, but you'll also get 10% rev share. So basically what that means is you'll get a shared revenue for 12 months of that customer. So if a customer uses your link and signs up, within 12 months, anything they use from Fiverr, you will get 10% off. So if they buy, let's say each month they spend $100 on an editor, you're going to be getting $10 from that each month, plus the $10 initially from signing them up. So depending on the customer or depending on what you kind of like to do, you can choose between the Fiverr CPA or the Fiverr hybrid affiliate system. Another really good thing about the Fiverr affiliate system is the amount of support they provide for you. So if we take a look here, so this is just showing basically more instructions about how it works. So it's definitely great to see. So good news, Fiverr affiliates now get revenue share. So this is talking about the 10% rev share for Fiverr hybrid. Definitely a great article to take a read through, and it provides lots of information. And this is a wonderful page. So this is the Fiverr affiliate homepage. So I haven't really done this in a long time, but before I used to do some affiliate marketing for Fiverr, and I did get a few signups. Again, these things you do need to be consistent with. But if you are consistent and if you do promote it enough, you'll definitely end up getting clicks. So on the Fiverr affiliate program page, there's basically all these marketing tools you can use. So basically you can use this image here, and then this is your unique link. So you can put this image anywhere. You can put it on Facebook, NFT Artists on Demand. When someone clicks on it, finds someone and purchases their gig, again, you will get a small commission. And again, depending on which commission structure you use, you can either possibly make passive income over time with the Fiverr hybrid, or you can get a one-time payment from the Fiverr CPA. And as you can see, there's all these different types of advertisement images you can use to promote Fiverr better and get paid. There's also pixels here, so basically it's like tracking. So if you want to see what kind of websites they visit, something similar of those, you can definitely use that. There's the earning report, the commission plan, depending on which one you want to use, and so forth. So very informative, very helpful, and if you do stay consistent, once again, you can definitely make lots of money. Now the third and final way I want to talk about how you can make money on Fiverr today is by basically drop servicing. So for those of you who don't know what drop servicing is, it's basically where you pick up a task somewhere and then you get someone else to do it and you keep the profit money. So let me explain it better. So for example, Upwork is a website where people are looking for freelancers to do their work. So I searched logo, as you can see here, and it comes up with all these different things. So you can see designer to improve our company's logo, right? We need to upgrade our logo to fonts easier to use for printing and marketing purposes. So basically they're looking for someone who can create a logo for them, and they're paying around $250, maybe slightly less because that is their top budget. So you can basically apply to any of these, and then you go on Fiverr and you search for the same thing. So logo design, and you obviously want to choose something with high reviews so that you know you're getting a quality product and something that makes sense. So as you can see, there's all these different logo creation ones. These are probably not suitable for the task because this one's a Twitch logo, this one's a cartoon mascot logo. They want a simple logo, but again, you can search for anything. So here we go. I'll do luxury, modern, minimalist, versatile business logo design. That might be suitable for them, right? So you can basically book this in and pay for this person. And then if they do pay $250, you're making basically $200 out of it. No, $225 out of it. So that's a very simple way of drop servicing. Again, it is important that you do take care and see what exactly they're looking for. So you want to make sure you read all this. It says we want something fresh and contemporary and bearing in our mind state, Colorado, mountains, outdoor chill, etc. So you want to make sure it's specific, and then you use those specific instructions on Fiverr. But yeah, that's basically it. That's 3 ways you can make money on Fiverr today. I hope this video helps, and if it did, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Also, a huge thank you to WeMoney for making this video possible. I post extra exclusive content on WeMoney about how to save money and some budgeting tips, and I highly recommend you check it out. There'll be a link in the description down below if you do want to sign up and follow my page. Would love to see you there. But again, thank you so much and have a good day. Cheers.